Have you ever seen a column chart and the positive numbers are in one color and the negative numbers are in a different color? Let me show you how to create that in Excel. We're going to use data from the S&P 500. Let's dive into this right now. I saw this chart on Wikipedia. It is the S&P 500. I think they're going back to 1928. Notice that the negative percentages are in a red color and the positives are in green. Let me show you how to create that in Excel. I have Excel running. This file will be available for you to download. I have 1991 through 2024 listed here. Those numbers in column B are percentages. You don't see the percentage symbol, but these are percentages. Let's first do something easy and use conditional formatting. So if you don't care about the chart yet, there'll be bookmarks down below. You can click on the chart. But if you want to see these percentages in different colors, this is conditional formatting. Select B2, Control Shift down arrow, Home tab, conditional formatting. Highlight cells greater than 0. I'm going to put those in green. I'm just going to use the green fill, hit OK. Back one more time, less than 0. Let's use the red right there. And it's actually working because 2011, it was 0. Notice there's no conditional formatting applied to it. If you wanted the 0 to be included with the green, you could do that. I'm going to go down to Manage Rules. There are the two rules we just wrote. Here is the green. Just hit Edit Rule. Notice it says greater than. Change it to greater than or equal to and hit OK. Watch the 0 go green. There you go if you wanted to see that. Now, let's go make that column chart with two different colors. We're going to have to do some formatting on the dates because I just want to see the year. We're going to add a vertical axis to it to put in the word percentages. Let's dive into this right now. Click in your data and go to Insert. If you select Recommended Charts, I was hoping it would give us the chart that I wanted, but it does not. Go to All Charts. You want this to be a column chart. Click OK. I'm going to move the chart and resize it. That works. So you can already see the issues we have. 1, the columns are really hard to see. 2, the years are right next to the negative values and covering some of them up. I'm going to right-click on any one of the years and go to Format Axis. I have already moved this from the right-hand side where this usually stays, this task pane. I hit these 3 dots and clicked on Move, and I'm moving it over here just to keep this easy for me on the camera. Pull this down a little bit. Here is item number 1. Notice the thin blue lines for the columns. I'm going to go right here. This is the default axis options. Axis options, make it a text axis. That took care of that. My years are showing here. We've already discussed this being an issue. This will be labels. They say next to axis. I'm going to put them low. Took care of that. It's driving me crazy that it's showing month, day, and year. I don't need to see month, day, and year. I know it's years. Select number. Go down to the format code. There's the M, D, and 4 Ys. Just make it 4 Ys. 2, 3, 4. Hit Add. Here's a tip for you. 1991, 92. If you're okay, you could actually just make it 2 if you wanted to do that. But actually, in this example, I'm going to go with 4. There we go right there. And now, everything is in blue. I want my positive percentages to be green, and I want the negative percentage to be in a red font color. To do that, we're going to go back up here to the top. I'm going to select one of the columns over here. They're all selected. We're going to go over here to the paint can. The Fill tab, it says automatic. I don't want automatic. 2 things I need to change. Here's your negatives first. Let's do the negatives first. Invert if negative, check that box. Notice that they are selected, but I'm not going to be able to see them, but I got them highlighted right now. So instead of automatic, you want to select solid fill. I still have invert if negative selected. Green for the positive. If you didn't see green, you would change it. And then for the negative, let's go with a red color, and there you go right there. I'm going to close the Format Data Series. And there is my chart sitting right here, looking really good. Now, it says percentage change up at the top for the title. You may want to change the chart title, S&P 500 percentage change. I'm not going to sit here and type that, but you could. But if you want to add the word percentages over here to the far left, you're going to go to Chart Design, far left, add chart elements. That is going to be an axis title, and it is going to be a primary vertical title. There it is right here. Change that primary vertical to percentage. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My online training classes for Teams, Copilot, Excel are available. Have a great day.